Utpluti Dandasana, or the elevated staff pose. Utpluti Dandasana improves circulation, digestion, increases your mental focus. It strengthens the chest, back muscles, spine, and the shoulders. Stretches it all as well. Improves posture and flexibility. Vakrasana, or the twisted pose. Vakrasana helps in making the spinal cord flexible. It cures stomach-related problems and diseases. It helps maintain your optimal body weight. Vakrasana also helps keep diabetes in control. It's a great asana for the nervous system. It relieves back pain and helps in keeping the lungs healthy. Naukasana, or the boat pose. Naukasana helps reduce fat around the belly, strengthens your abdomen muscles, helps in activating pancreas, helps in regulating sugar, and removes sugar-related complications. It also helps you keep diabetes in control. Naukasana improves digestion, relieves you from indigestion, bloating, and constipation. Naukasana helps in toning your muscles of the stomach and the hips region. Bhujangasana, or the Cobra pose. Bhujangasana reduces body degeneration, helps stay young, and stops the aging process. It strengthens the spine, increases blood supply to it. It stretches the muscles in the chest, lungs, shoulder, and abdomen region. It firms and tones the buttocks. Bhujangasana also alleviates stress and fatigue. Dhanurasana, or the bow pose. Dhanurasana helps in weight loss. It cures dyspepsia, obesity, gastrointestinal issues, and rheumatism. Dhanurasana also cures constipation. It improves your appetite and digestion. It stimulates reproductive organs and the pancreas. Dhanurasana stimulates the organs of the abdomen and neck. It stretches the entire front of the body, ankles, thighs, abdomen, chest, throat, and deep hip flexors. It strengthens the back muscles and improves posture. Dhanurasana also cures constipation and improves the blood circulation, along with flexibility in the back. Padmasana, or the Lotus pose. Padmasana opens up the hips, alleviates mental stress, calms the mind, increases your mental awareness and attentiveness. Padmasana makes the spine straight and develop good posture, makes the joints and ligaments flexible. It reduces muscular tension, stretches the ankles and knees, helps in sciatica, and helps to sleep well at night by fighting sleep problems such as insomnia.